friends, welcome to Drawing for Kids. Enjoy watching and hope you all are entertained. This time I will draw and color a very cute penguin friend. Let's go! It's time to color this cute penguin picture so it looks even better. Black. Penguin's face. Yellow. Pink. Red. Orange.
With a here and a there, here a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Finally, we shaded the penguin's body to make it look real. Shading pencil. Then we refine the shading. Hooray! Finally finished drawing and coloring this cute penguin. Friends, thank you for watching this cute penguin drawing and coloring video to the end. Friends, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.